The world's first branded coffee stain. Once every year, key account holders from across Germany meet at the Markant Trade Fair to do business. To attract their attention, Regina, one of Europe's leading kitchen towel brands, came up with a world first, the branded coffee stain. Everybody knows that big business deals are best negotiated over a cup of coffee, so Regina distributed 300 very special coffee mugs at the fair. The ceramic mugs were manufactured with considerable effort and featured a secret, a unique stamp on the bottom. Whenever coffee is spilled and the liquid reaches the bottom of the mug, the resulting stain forms the Regina logo. The mugs were kept fairly plain, with no obvious branding or instructions, so as not to give away the surprise. But once clients discovered the effect, they just loved it. In fact, a lot of coffee got spilled deliberately that day, and word got around in a big way. And guess what was used to remove the stains every single time? Regina kitchen towels. Compared to 2012, twice as many business cards were exchanged, and Regina was the talk of the day among industry buyers. So the branded stain contributed to the closing of 20% more business deals. Also, 36 of the mugs disappeared.